Welcome back to Kawa Akram channel. Today lecture will be about recycling. And style of this lecture will be different from previous lectures and will be conversation between two characters.
Hello Tani. Can you tell me what is recycling?
Oh yes. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. Also, recycling is the most widely recognized form of source reduction, and it involves the process of separating, collection, processing, and marketing. In addition, it uses the material that would have otherwise been discarded, and it is the fundamental part of waste management plan.
And what does the recycling symbol mean?
There are three meanings of recycling symbol. First, reduce, and reduce means to use less of something or decreasing unnecessary. Second, reuse, and reuse means is to put again into service without changing. 3. Recycle, and recycle means is to put again into service with changing.
And can you tell me which types of waste can be recycled?
There are many types of waste can be recycled, for example. 1. Plastic. 2. Metal. 3. Glass. 4. Paper. 5. Ashes. 6. Rags. 7. Animal. 8. And vegetables material.
And what happens if we don't recycle?
Thank you, Mela, for this question. All of the environment will be affected if we don't recycle, especially some types of waste like plastic and glass in cans, because these types are not biodegradable and they will remain in the environment for approximately 300 years and affect species and human in many ways.
Tani, can you tell me the benefits of recycling?
Oh yes. There are a number of benefits. 1. Resource conservation. 2. Pollution reduction. 3. Saves money, raw materials, and land. 4. Reduces pressure on disposal systems. 5. Lowers demand for raw resources. 6. Reduces energy consumption and air pollution. 7. Reduces the need for new landfills and combustors. 8. Recycling helps protect the environment. 9. Recycling creates jobs. 10. Economic significance, cost reduction, employment, energy saving, reduced healthcare cost, it reduces the cost of cleaning, water treatment at sewage plant, and it also reduces the cost for public safety. 11. Environment and health significance. 12. Social significance.
This is the end of this lecture. For any question, please write your questions at the below of this video. For more video, do like, subscribe, get notify, and thank you.